How to make profile on Indeed.com. Good day, folks. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your profile stand out on Indeed. So let's go ahead. The first thing you want to do is log into Indeed.com, and on the right hand side you will see that there is a sign in button. Now once you tap the sign in button, you will have the opportunity to either sign in with an email address, a Google account, or an Apple account. So we're going to go ahead and say continue with Google. Now once you've chosen your option, you're going to just tap on your email address that you've chosen, and you are now in. You'll see that this page is slightly different. Up on the right hand side there is now this profile button over here. So this is what we're going to go ahead and do. We're going to tap on that profile, and over here you are going to go ahead and you're going to tap on profile. Once you've tapped on profile, you can see here that you can change everything about your profile. So this is where we start. We go ahead and you can change your profile picture over here. And you would like to change your profile picture so that you can be more discoverable. You also want to make sure that all the information over here is correct. So you can just tap on this arrow over here and you can change all of that. The next thing you want to do is make sure that you have a resume. So you're going to either tap on upload resume, which is right over here, and you can then upload a resume that is on your device already built. Or the other option is to build an Indeed resume over here. Here you can go ahead and build one right on the platform. The next thing you want to do is go down and you want to tap on the qualifications tab, and over here you can add everything from all of your work experiences, education, skills, licenses, certificates, and all of the languages that you speak. Now once you've done that, you're going to go out here again and you're going to go ahead and tap on job preferences. This is where you basically define what sort of jobs you're looking for, where they are, how much they pay, and what sort of locations they're in. So you can go ahead and you can change all of these details over here. So you can hit the plus sign on the right hand side and you can add all of that in over there. This just makes it easier when looking for a job, or when people are looking for employees. If they come across your profile and they see, this person's pay requirements are a little bit high, then they won't consider you for a job. It eliminates wasting your time as well as wasting their time. The next thing you want to do is tap on the hide jobs with these details, and here you can go ahead and you can tap on a few of the jobs that you would not like to have come up in your feed, and this gets done from your homepage when you actually see your feed. And then the ready to work tab right at the bottom, you're going to just be able to toggle that on or off, and that basically allows people to know that you're available to start immediately or not. And there we go. Now you have made a profile on Indeed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers for now.